Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can earn money on TikTok. Now I'm going to read you through an article made by Forbes which is going to show you a few simple steps that you need to take in order to earn and start earning money on TikTok. Now, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to skip the introduction because it's pointless, and I'm going to get right into the steps. The first step is creating your brand. Anyone who ever took a marketing class knows the basics, and it's the same for any business you start. Who are you and who will love your product? Target the market. For TikTok, this means you should have an idea of the type of videos you'll post and be consistent. Will your videos be entertaining and funny, or are you looking for a romantic, ethereal vibe? How do you want people and companies looking for influence to see you? Basically, you have to be consistent. You have to post the same type of content, basically having a niche that you are going to follow throughout your TikTok journey, let's say. The second step is posting content that people want to watch. Like all social media platforms, you are only as good as your content. Being a social influencer, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, requires a lot of work. Your content must be fresh, interesting, and unique and updated. This means multiple new videos every day. The third step in, and maybe the hardest, is getting followers. Now, in order to earn money and actually a considerable amount of money, you will need to have a bunch of followers. And that you can get by understanding what your target market wants to see and upload quality content to them multiple times a day. Just basically keep going with your work, and it will eventually pay off in followers. Now, after you've done these steps, these are the 5 best ways to start earning income. Influencer marketing. The companies hires influencers to use their videos to promote their products. Basically, you get paid and you include a certain product in your video and basically get paid for it. Now, a second way would be sponsored content posts. Basically, again, having a video all about a certain product. Also, you have branded merchandise. After you get certain following, people can be in a position in which they want to buy merchandise from you with your brand, with your logo, and by creating that market, that merchandise, you can start earning money. Use your stardom to launch your music artist actress career. Basically, you can use your followers and your fame that you gain on TikTok to boost your career in other paths. Or you can become a TikTok consultant. If you're an expert on all things TikTok, many are in need of your guidance. With this still being a relatively new social platform, people will pay money to hire you as a consultant to help them create their strategy, build their brand, and boost their followers. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial and article helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.